everyone. So this one I made from a recycled bag, from an old laptop bag. Get into this beautiful shoulder bag, laptop bag which I was talking about. I was not using it anymore, so I thought instead of throwing it, I will use the leather and the fabric of this bag to make a new one. So I will cut it and I will remove the zips and the sides, and I will take the fabric and the leather of this bag. Here I will separate the fabric also, the leather and the foam inside, which I will use also after. Here I have removed the leather cardboard piece, which is almost the same width of the leather bag. Here I will cut a curved round shape, half round actually, to make the sides of the bag, but I will cut it after because it's too wide. The lines on the sides. This one I'm just making with idea without any measurement, and for me I was feeling it's quite wide and big. So after that, after cutting, I will see how much width of the bag I need. So I will cut this circle as well into half again. Here I will cut from the sides again because this one is quite wide for the bag. Now I will take another piece of cardboard and I will stick these two sides with the piece of cardboard. Cover the other side as well with the cardboard, and now cover the bottom part as well and cut the rough edges after sticking it with hot glue. Here it's done, and now I will take another shopping bag which was from the fabric as well to cover the inner part of this new bag. I will put this fabric inside the box, measure the size and cover all the inner part of the bag with this fabric. You can use the fabric of your choice, black as well, but this one was available on the same time, so I used this one. Here it's done now, and now I will use black fabric which was the pocket of the laptop bag. I cut it half, which I will make two pockets for the new bag. Just cut it a little bit smaller and stick it on the both sides of the box inner part to make the pockets. Here like this I've made pockets on two sides, and now with the paper tape I will cover the sides of the box as well, where I stick the cardboard with each other. And the rest of the edges of the box I will cover with the same fabric I covered from the inside. This one is the leather which I removed from the previous bag, and I will cover all this new box with this leather pieces. This is the form and the fabric of the previous bag, and now I will cover the sides of the new bag with this form and with the black fabric, and I will cut it according to the shape of the side, and the rest of the pieces I will cover inside. Stick the black fabric now on top, and then I will cut the rough edges and I will leave little bit to turn it into inside like this. Leave some parts of the fabric and stick it or turn it inside and on the sides as well like this. Here I have another fabric bag which was for some stuff which I will use now for the bag again. Taking another piece of cardboard which I turned a little bit like this in this shape for the lid of the bag. Stick this cardboard piece on the leather piece which I left little bit, so it is easy to open and close. It will be easily turn. Stick it here like this. Here you can see how it's bending. That's why I left a little bit part of the leather outside. Here like this, close it and see how much you want the lid to be longer, so cut it according to that. Now here is the fabric I show you before, the black big bag. So now cut the pieces into two and cover the lid of the bag with this fabric, upside and inner part as well. And if you are new to my channel, it's really great to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon so you don't miss my any new uploads. Thank you so much for your support. Keep watching and keep supporting. Here I have made the lid now, and for the designing I have some tissues, floral tissues, party tissues or floral tissues, or decoupage pages as well, papers as well. So I will cut these flowers from these tissues, and I will stick them on the bag with white glue and water mixture. And here is another tissues I have with flowers. I will cut them and I will cover all the bag with these flowers. Here you can see I have cut the flowers. Now this is my homemade white glue, and then I will paste these flowers on the bag, front and upper part of the lid as well, and on the back also, and the sides, almost all the bag with these flowers. And here you can see I have covered the bag. And now the part to close the bag, you can use the buttons, you can use the magnets. I have these pieces, so I will stick them here. Instead of hot glue, I will use the needle. Use the glue as well, but for me I feel more security if I use the needle and the thread to sew them instead of hot glue, because while opening them they might get removed from the bag, so it is better to secure them with needle. So this is what I am doing. I am sewing them. For the holding, I am using this belt. I will sew this also on the sides, from the both sides. And now I will take another piece of the same belt, which I will use on the top part for the holding. This part again I will sew it with the needle and thread on this part. For the decor, whatever you want you can stick on it. I have a chain which I will put here, and I will use again the needle and the thread to sew it. And here I have some flowers which I made from hot glue and mold, which are almost golden bronze colors, and I will stick them here on top of the both sides. And here it's done. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on bell icon so you don't miss my any new uploads, and I will keep uploading many videos in these days. Keep watching, keep supporting, and share my videos to support my work as well. And thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.